YouTubers. Gonna show you how to assemble Sagittarius. Okay, swimming up in the Philippines. This is the important thing to make Sagittarius. This is the very important, and this too. And this. So big. Yeah, this. Without this, it will not spin, and without this, the screwdriver will not spin. Okay, first thing, this. Second thing, this. There. And the third thing is this. There. See? And the peg, this should here. There. This is metal or plastic. I will put a metal here. This is when plastic is broken. This is I assemble. So put it here, there. This peg warning. This peg have this shape of screwdriver, and this the pointer in the bottom. This circle. Sorry, circle. There. Okay. There. So you see, it is metal, and this is the top. Okay. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.